to fix error 781-2021, verification of some files failed in Tower of Fantasy. Step 1, install graphics tools via optional features. Step 2, open. Then edit, add qrsl.exe and tof_launcher.exe into the X properties. Step 3, choose force on under direct 3d/dxgi debug layer. Step 4, change. Feature level limit from none to 11_100 device settings. Step 5, turn on disable feature level upgrade. Step 6, restart your computer, then rerun Tower of Fantasy.